In this video, we're going to be talking about Babyface. Babyface is a sheer oil-free hydrator. So why is this moisturizer good for our acne line?
This product is great for our acne line because many moisturizers can clog the pores and cause the skin to be oilier and are not appropriate for acne-prone skin. But this is a non-comedogenic moisturizer. What is non-comedogenic, Lily?
It means it doesn't clog your pores.
Perfect. So whenever you see non-comedogenic on a label, that means it's not going to clog your pores, just what Lily said. So this is a non-comedogenic sheer hydrator. Many of our products are non-comedogenic, but they have more emollient. This product is going to be much more sheer for someone with a little bit oilier skin. We also might suggest use this product during the day for moisture, and if you need some extra moisture at night, use one of our other products that is going to be better for overnight skin barrier repair. Babyface features glycerin, which is what we say is the icing on the cake, because glycerin is going to help support the skin barrier, but also not cause pore clogging and all the other things we don't want in a moisturizer for acne-prone skin. Babyface is just a moisturizer. It does not have any SPF, so be sure if you're going to use this product during the day that you add an SPF to help protect your skin.